Imagine a world where there are no smartphones, no medicines, no electricity, just darkness and struggle. How would we survive? Science and technology have transformed our lives, from the way we communicate to the way we fight diseases and build nations. This video will explore the stark contrast between a world without science and technology in the world we live in today.
Can you tell us how hard your life is before when there is no technology? And how did you survive and how did you become you today as a professional?
No, at class, our life before was so hard without the science and technology. When it comes on transportation, survival needs,
Pre, ato dyan yung tarungan pre, kay para makalawot na itong adlaw-adlaw ng panginabuhi. Sige lang pre, anong ginaron? Wala kong kay matiknology makatabang sa ato. Ay, ay dyan.
Buwa! Nang imo iksoon!
Ha? Ano sa si Anita?
Magdalin na magdara atong bata ninyo mampun sa albularyo. Tabangi pa ninyo!
Ha?
Imagine a time when getting from one place to another meant hours of walking or riding on horseback. We didn't have cars or buses, so traveling to local healers was a true journey, often taking the entire day just to reach our destination. When sickness struck, we had to rely on home remedies and the knowledge of local healers, as hospitals were often too far away and hard to reach. Education was a privilege, not a guarantee. Many children couldn't attend school because it was too far away or because they needed to help their families. The lack of resources made learning difficult, and countless bright minds missed out on the opportunity to pursue their dreams.
So, Mom, what are the differences between your life before and now that we already use various technologies?
Well, I can say that our life before and today has a big difference. With the help of science and technologies, my life became easier than before.
Ma'am, what about the benefits of having the science and technology to the nation building and to yourself?
Well, science and technology are indispensable tools for nation building. Also, it is a driving progress and it helps to improve, to give quality life for citizens.
Now, look around you. Think about how technology has changed our lives. We have cars, buses, and even planes to take us anywhere quickly and safely. Getting to school is easier than ever, and we have so many resources available online to help us learn no matter where are we. We are truly fortunate to live in this time. My brothers built successful businesses, and that proves that technology has opened up amazing opportunities.
Good afternoon, Doc. Doc, I already received my blood works and EKG. Can you please clarify some things, Doc, because the report is a little bit confusing.
Please bring the report with you at your next appointment so we can review it thoroughly.
Science and technology are not just a conveniences. They are the foundation of progress, innovation, and nation building. Without them, society would struggle to survive and let alone advance. Through scientific discoveries and technological innovations, we have improved healthcare, communication, education, and infrastructure, shaping a better future for us. As we move forward, it is our responsibility to continue supporting and developing science and technology for the benefit of humanity. Let us embrace innovation, nurture curiosity, and work together to build a more sustainable, smarter, and healthier nation building. The future is in our hands, powered by science and technology.
Think